Activate dark mode on an Android in a most simple way. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to activate dark mode on an Android device in most simple way. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch settings application on your device. Scroll down and look for the option of display and brightness and tap to access it. At the top, you will see mode. So currently it has been switched to light mode. To activate dark mode, tap dark mode. Here you can easily schedule and switch to dark mode in any time if you wish, and then the switch will occur when your screen is off. You can come back, navigate to dark mode setting, and you can adjust wallpapers to dark mode, adjust icons to dark mode, reduce contrast in low light conditions, or dark mode for third party apps as well. So, depending upon your choice, you can easily adjust any settings. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.